Hello, Jim. Techbo's new product in, and it's the Mophie 3-in-1 charger, travel charger with Magsafe. And this looks like a neat package. You've up to 15 watts fast wireless charging, integrated Magsafe charger, integrated for Apple Watch and AirPods charging slot. So that's pretty much it in the front there. And it's made for Apple Watch 4th generation all the way up to SE Series 6 and 7. So I presume I work with my Apple Watch Ultra 2 and up to 13. So that's what it has on the package there. So you've got made for watch, Magsafe. What you get inside, you have an integrated charger for Apple Watch, integrated Magsafe charger and AirPods charging spot. So let's have a look at it and see what it's like. And then we'll get it set up and we can then show you what it does. Okay, so this is what we've got here. A nice arrow to tell you to pull it up from there. And in here we have got a quick start guide. We don't need that. So it looks really nice fabric material with a button here, like one of those kind of jackets. It has those kind of closures on them, Mophie branding on it here. And nice soft material which will keep it out of harm's way. And inside here is what we can see. So let's pop all this stuff out. So here is the charging unit itself, which is pretty cool. Really nice, again, nice fabric on it there with the Mophie branding. And of course you get your plug and of course your charging cable. So it's got the Mophie branding on it there, and the plug has the branding as well. So kind of like that, kind of keeps all your stuff kind of together in one spot. Open up the charger like that, and that's pretty much it in the package. That's what you're going to get, and it's USB-C, which is cool. So we're going to get it set up, come back to you and show you what it's all about, and we'll see you then. Okay, so we're back with the Mophie setup after testing it out. So you can actually flip this guy up here if you want to do so. So you can take advantage of nightstand on your watch, Apple Watch, if you want to do so, which is cool. So that's up to yourself what you want to do. But all in all, again, it's just simply packaged up like so. Nice magnet on this here. And that's really it. Now I don't own Apple AirPods, so a pair of earbuds here that takes wireless charging. So we're going to pop on the phone first. Charging, watch, charging, earbuds, charging. All items are now charging in one go, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty much it, and how it's going to work. Really simple like that. So what I'm going to do is pop this out and put these all back on and see if they all come to life at the same time. One, two, phone wasn't on right, 3, all charging there. So what I also want to do is check will this charge any other Qi enabled devices, and we can charge that as well, and that's got a big tick case in it as well, so take that into consideration. It's charging my Android phone there as well, and that'll just give you a kind of idea of its capabilities. And you're not only just stuck to Apple products, like I don't use Apple AirPods, and it will charge once they can fit within this parameter here. So you know, you can just still use it even if you don't have Apple products, but you're kind of limited to what you can use, particularly when it comes to the Magsafe or the Apple Watch and so on. Like some chargers do have, like what I have here, for example, has 2 different sizes, and this convex or concave, whatever you call it here, is slightly different, and it can charge different watches, but not only said Apple Watches, but as you can see, the magnet's pretty strong as well, and it works really well. Just pop the phone back on there, and the earbuds still charging away every time like that, and you can just swap it out like so, all working fine. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.